afternoon, we're looking out at a cloud deck over Starkville. It's over Hillman Hall, and that cloud deck is producing a little bit of misty rain. If you've noticed that, if you've been walking around campus, some different rain there, and it's keeping our temperatures low. It's 70 degrees in Starkville right now with a dew point of 61. That's keeping our humidity to 73%, so it's feeling pretty muggy out there. Now, if we look across the area, you can see that temperatures are pretty low in the eastern part of the state, 68 in Tupelo, 66 for us here in the Golden Triangle. Now, as we push back to the west, you'll see those temperatures are a little bit higher, 79 in Greenville, 75 in Greenwood, and that's due to the an absence of clouds in that area. The sun's breaking through and letting those temperatures just rise up a little bit more than it for us here in the east. Now you see we also have a line of storms that are pushing through the area that's going to be expected to be here in the overnight hours and through tomorrow, and that's due to that cold front that we have moving through our area. You see it's going to push through overnight into tomorrow. It's going to bring in good, pleasant conditions with a little bit of sunshine for us for the next few days to come. Now, if we're going to put this into motion, you see those clouds we have sitting over us here in the Starkville area, that absence that we have in the western portion, but as we go forward, we're going to see that line of storms moving in. That's actually the cold front pushing through. It's going to bring some clear conditions. It's going to be cleared out by Friday morning, which is perfect time for the game against South Carolina. Now, we're going to have a kickoff at 11:21. It's going to be a cool 69 degrees. It's going to be pleasant for that football game, and by the time the game is over around 3 o'clock, it'll be 79 degrees. It'll be great conditions to tailgate in the junction for when the game is over. But for us here today in Mississippi State University, 73 degrees, a little bit optimistic depending on how those clouds break for us. But in the late afternoon, we're expecting a few showers, and that's going to be the same case as we go into tonight. Now, the temperature is going to get down to around 59 degrees. Those showers, I wouldn't rule those out just yet, and that's the same thing for tomorrow as well. As that cold front pushes through, we're going to have showers a little bit earlier, and then it's going to clear out to make for a beautiful day with a temperature of 78 degrees. It's going to be a little bit windy for us as well, and it's going to be beautiful conditions though as we go throughout the week. As you see, we have a temperature of 77 degrees on Friday. Beautiful, clear day. It's going to be the same for that football game against South Carolina on Saturday. A temperature of 79 degrees, lows dropping down to the 50s. And Sunday, 82 and 82 for Monday as well. It's going to be a beautiful start to the next week, and we're going to get back to some fall-like conditions, hopefully. Now, thank you for joining us. I'm Jessica Chism with your Campus Connect forecast.